Hey, what's up guys? TwystidJ here, and I'm going to do a segment called What's in the Box? Which, if anything, it should be my new ICP record, album, I should say. So, with that being said, I'm going to open it. Which, I picked this up on Amazon a few days ago. And that's exactly what it is. Ha ha ha. It's the Marvelous Missing Link Lost CD, which I should have the next one probably right before it comes out. And it will be on pre-order. So, yeah, brand new ICP. So, that being said, I'll probably have a review of it within the next day or so, give or take. So that's that. And I'm TwystidJ, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out my friends Juggalo Viper, Batgirl Jamie, the Juggalettes Are Us, and the Juggalettes Are Us kids, which are my niece and nephews. Well, my nieces and nephew, and Batgirl Jamie's niece, Miss Gracie P. And check out our friends, the Ninja Nerdalos. Laters. I'm out. Bye.